Hey guys, today my video is about weight loss. In this video, I'll be telling you the tips how to lose the weight. The weight loss is full of myths. People are often advised to do all sorts of crazy things, most of which we have no evidence behind them. However, over the years, scientists have found a number of strategies that seem to be effective. So now I'm here to tell you some tips about how to lose your weight. So number one is drink water, especially before meals. This can help with weight loss, and that's very true. Drinking water can boost your metabolism. So number two is eat eggs for breakfast. Eating eggs can have all sorts of benefits, including helping you to lose your weight. Uh, if some people won't eat eggs, you can take any protein rich food in the breakfast. So that's fine to eat any protein rich food in the breakfast. And the third is drink coffee, preferably black coffee. And coffee has been unfairly demonized. Quality coffee is loaded with antioxidants and have numerous health benefits with black coffee, preferably black coffee. The caffeine in the coffee can boost metabolism by 3 to 11% and increase fat burning up to 10 to 29%. So just make sure that not to add the sugar in your coffee, because that is high calorie ingredients to your coffee that will completely negative part of losing your weight using sugar. The fourth one is go with green tea. Like coffee, green tea has also many benefits, one of them being weight loss. Through green tea contains small amounts of caffeine. It is loaded with powerful antioxidants such as catechins, which are believed to work amazing for weight loss. The next one is try fasting, that is intermittent fasting. This fasting is a popular eating pattern in which people cycle between periods of fasting and eating. So, the next one is avoid adding sugar in coffee, in tea, in lemon juice, anything. Added sugar is one of the worst ingredients in the modern diet. Some people consume way too much. Some studies show that the sugar consumption is strongly associated with an increasing risk of obesity. The next one is go on a low carbohydrate diet. If you want to get all the benefits of carbohydrate restriction, then consider going all the way committing to a low carbohydrate diet. The next thing is keeping healthy food nearby can help prevent you from eating something unhealthy if you become excessively hungry. Snacks that are easily portable and simply prepared include whole fruits, nuts, baby carrots, yogurt, and hard boiled eggs. The next one is doing aerobic exercise, an excellent way to burn calories and improve your physical and mental health. It appears to be particularly effective for burning or losing belly fat, the unhealthy fat that tends to be build up around your organs and cause metabolism. One of the worst thing people think of weight loss is to maintain their diet, that is dieting. Dieting is the very worst. I mean, it tends to cause muscle loss and metabolic slowdown, often referred to as starvation. Next is eating more fiber rich food may also help you to lose your weight. Fiber is often recommended for weight loss. The next one is eat more vegetables and fruits. Vegetables and fruits have several properties that make them effective for weight loss. They contain few calories but a lot of fiber. Their high water content gives them low energy density, making them very filling. The next one is to get good sleep. Sleep is highly underrated but may be just as important as eating healthy and exercising. The next thing is don't do sugary drinks including soda and fruit juice. Sugar is bad, but sugar in liquid form is very much worse. The last and the foremost thing is to don't diet, eat healthy food. Don't diet to lose your weight. That is the main wrong step the people take to lose their weight. One of the biggest problems with diets is that they rarely work in the long term. If anything, people who diet tend to gain their weight over time, because when you diet, the gas is formed in your stomach, so that you may gain weight. So that is not highly recommended. Thanks for watching my video. Please do like, follow, comment and share.